And the current batch is evening 5 to 6 p.m. batch. But actually I'm having 6 batches, but the current batch is 5 to 6. Daily 1 hour class, and for me 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours minimum practice. So my 1 hour is sufficient for you for your enough practice. And people who are all joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get today's demo video and document as well. This is my contact number and these are my timings. Kindly call me on my timings. I will help you. And please do not write anything. Simply listen to the session. And I'll explain everything graphically now. In IT people, I will use technical words. And non-IT people, as you are new to IT, don't feel panic. Regularly, I use the same terminology. You will get understanding after 2 days. Very clearly, each and every word. So don't worry. Kindly follow the way I'm following. The session is for IT and non-IT everyone. And my objective for the course and detailed subject, and which will help everyone to work in the real-time projects. Entry-oriented subject. And PL 300 examination subject coverage. 70 to 80% subject covered for the PL 300. There are 2 demo classes. And yesterday was first demo. And today is the second demo. In yesterday's demo, 20 minutes. First 20 minutes I covered what we provide, how many days the course duration is, etc. And also I explained about data to Microsoft Fabric, theoretical part, complete understanding I given. And today I will explain first 10 minutes the recap of yesterday's part plus a fresh part. But both the videos again, once again I will share. So this is the drive created for your batch. So this was a drive created for your batch. And here is a content. I believe you all having access on this. And here is a place I placed yesterday's demo document, video and everything. And also we shared in WhatsApp, YouTube level link. And even today's demo video also I will place in the same folder. Kindly go through it. Demo document, video, everything you will find in this area. Irrespective of your attendance, every day you will receive the folder with video and content. And this is my existing 8 o'clock batch. All videos available. 63 classes so far covered for them. Now DAX classes are happening for the last 4 days. So every day you will receive a video and respective documents. So resume preparation sessions, interview guidance sessions, project sessions, everything I will conduct, and I will place video along with your regular class video. Okay. Coming to the recap. First day recap for 10 minutes. The people who are joining today, kindly go through first demo to understand data to Microsoft Fabric, the complete evolution, history, and the hierarchy. Don't miss it. It's very important. I'm just briefing what I explained yesterday. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. I'm a working BA lead consultant, duration 50 to 60 hours, daily class 1 hour, and Monday to Friday classes, and monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. Along with the classes, you will get daily live class video and the access given till 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects and multiple case studies covered. And it is a solid, we will provide solid theory and practical materials. And prerequisites, nothing are not required any IT tools and components knowledge, but having knowledge on Excel or SQL is advantage. Any graduate can learn Power BI. It is fully graphical component with low code. And my subject from basics to advanced level, very in detail. In case you want to finish in fast track way, kindly call me on my number. I will help you. Please call me on this number. I will help you. Tools, components, and concepts covered. In the next 2 months, I'm going to cover all this part. And this is project and environment related. So data warehousing fundamental, modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning. And to work happily in the real time, 2 near real time projects I will cover. And we will do multiple case studies in the classroom. In real time, you may work with databases. So SQL language, I'm going to explain for 3 to 4 hours, but I recommend you learn SQL completely wherever you want to learn. But there are 9 topics, you prioritize it. These 9 topics, you'll get interview questions and you'll use in the real time for data testing, report testing, and multiple operations. Only 9 topics. And tabular cubes, 2 hours. And the people who are preparing for the job, for them resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, these all will assist. And coming to Power BI subject, cloud components. So coming to subject level, cloud available, on-premises available, different components, both I'm covering. Slowly you'll understand. And most of the institutions cover cloud, that too partially they cover Power BI service. But we cover in detail Power BI service and detailed desktop. Even on-premises also, these two I will cover. Power Apps and Power Automate understanding for 4 hours I'm covering in these sessions. Sir, is it required? Compulsory. That 4 hours is meaningful sessions related to Power BI, relevant to Power BI. And the people who are working in real time, they will get benefit from these sessions. So the content, what I plan here, after monitoring multiple job requests, job descriptions, and market demand, I created this content. So with this, confidently you can try for interviews, or when you join in the projects, you get benefit from this. Next, institution side, we provide theory practical material and live class video. We will conduct resume preparation sessions, and one WhatsApp group also available for regular video sending, information providing. And we will discuss in the WhatsApp group level of technical questions, concerns, and you can call me on my given number in the specified timings. And during the class, you will be having very good interaction with me, even after the session as well. I have students for the last 7 to 8 years. And as a Power BI developer or report developer, you find these opportunities in the market below 5 years. So 90% opportunities nowadays, Power BI, DAX, these two come under Power BI. This is database language. This combination 90% opportunities. And my course 100% cover this. And Power BI support resource, admin resource, these two also you can try. And Power BI plus MSBA, Tableau plus Power BI, and Power BI plus Azure ADF, Power BI plus Synapse. Like these combinations also opportunities available based on your capability, learning capability, financial capability. You can learn other tools as well. But these are all below 5 years. In case your experience is more and you want to try with more experience, yeah, modeler role, designer role, specialist role, architect role, these are the roles available. But 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end knowledge is required. Without working 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end knowledge, you cannot try for this. And this is what last class I covered. And then I explained this hierarchy. What is data? What is IT application? BA application, Power BI, Power Platform, Microsoft Fabric. So anything you're able to store is called data. We have 3 types of data in the IT industry: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. And we have 2 formats: file format and database format. We have 2 types of storage: on-premises storage, cloud storage. On-premises within your organization storage or within your device storage. Cloud storage, somebody else storage. So 3 types data, 2 formats of data, 2 types of storage of data. And this data we use in IT applications, any IT applications. Many types of IT applications available, but majorly these 2: business running, business analysis. And you people belong to business analysis applications. So in this area, you develop reports and dashboards from the existing data. Then what is BI? Business intelligence. Intelligence to the business. Decision making or analysis of the business. And here, input is any data, any type, anyway. Output is report or dashboard. Like this, report or dashboard. As I told you, report containing detailed data, dashboard containing high-level data. Report for a specific operation, dashboard for a specific subject area data, multiple operations data. So BA input and output. Next, BA process. I told you very clearly this process yesterday. Input is data, business data or any data. Output is report or dashboard. From this, a decision-making report or dashboard you want to construct. This is the first phase we require, ETL phase. We'll grab the data, we'll transform the data and load into huge storage. This is huge storage. Once the data being gathered, we'll take required data, add aggregate information, analytical information. And this area is called semantic area. Once a specific storage or semantic area is ready, reporting take place where reports and dashboards generated. And this is called BI process, business intelligence process. 4 layers. In olden days, our early BI process, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tools required, 4 resources required, 4 tools, 4 resources required. and very costly approach. And MSBI kind of applications having simple approach. It is available as a suite with first tool. This is a tool for this operation, a tool for this operation, a tool for this operation. Suite with three tools, tool 1, tool 2, tool 3 for three different operations. And the same company, Microsoft, released Power BI with single application where concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4. These four concepts are used to perform end-to-end process. So this concept used here, this concept used here and here, this concept used here and here. Multiple concepts. And this is what I explained yesterday. MSBA very hot in the market. From 2005, it is available, comes under middle age BA. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version for MSBA. This is the first BA from Microsoft. And MSBA only brought leadership to Microsoft in the market for analytics and BA. I opened multiple links yesterday. This was the first link and one more link I opened. I showed the market of Microsoft in the analytics and BA. Leader. But IT changes are more after 2004. And MSBA architecture designed before 2004. That's a major reason cloud support is not available. Mobile tab friendly, not available. Many sources it will not support. You cannot place in Facebook, Twitter, etc. applications, and many more not possible. So Microsoft decided, why don't we develop a new component and a fresh component with more features than existing BA? That is Power BI. Adding power to existing BI. Power BI is a low-code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BI, which generates reports and dashboards from the data. Power BI is a low-code application. Power BI is a cloud and on-premises support application. Power BI is a self-service application because multiple concepts available. But ultimately, it will generate a report and dashboard from the data. So cloud, on mobile friendly, better embedding, low code, and many features. These all explained yesterday. And Power BI announced into July 2013. And we don't have versioning in Power BI. We have monthly updates in Power BI. Every month we have an update. From July 2013 to till this month, we have updates. So the reason behind Power BI is this. And Power BI simple definition, adding power to existing BI. And technical strong definition, it's a low code application, cloud and on-premises supportive application, self-service BI application, which will generate reports and dashboards. This is the output. And Microsoft decided to release multiple low code components like Power BI. That is Power Platform, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Virtual Agent, Power Pages. But companies using Power BI with other components, not the Power Platform components. So Fabric announced from 2023, July, we have Fabric. As part of Fabric, those four components available. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fabric, nothing but an artificial intelligence suite or a pack with these tools, 4 tools. And Power BI now part of Fabric. So whatever the material you read, whatever the document you go through, you will find Fabric Power BI, Fabric Power BI. Do not confuse. And you guys learning Fabric Power BI now. Fabric suite component Power BI. So this part I explained yesterday. And today I'm going to explain Power BI components, Power BI components, and we'll see one practical. Right. Before I go to that, kindly ask your questions. If you have any questions till this part, I explain. And the people who joined today only, they need to go to the previous class video for more information and detailed information. And thank you so much, guys. There are more than 15 people called me yesterday with different types of questions, career guidance. Thank you so much. I look forward from more people. Any questions from anyone?
So why are they releasing this updates every month? Is there any reason?
Yes. They want to showcase to the market that they are having up-to-date support with the current IT industry.
Normally updates will be released by for every year like yearly, right? So
No,
that's what.
not yearly. That was old process, legacy process. But modern IT applications having monthly or quarterly updates. IT is changing very drastically, and there are many cutting-edge technologies and process. If we
Okay.
don't, to integrate with
Thank
all
you.
this, Microsoft is having monthly updates.
Okay. Thank you.
It does not mean we need to learn all the updates, but if the update is required for you, you can take it. Otherwise, you can ignore.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Any more questions from anyone? Right. Let me continue with my fresh part. Power BI. Power BI components. So don't read YouTube and many other areas. You will find these four as components: 1, 2, 3, 4. That is outdated subject. Coming to Microsoft, and these are the components we are having. And first one, Power BI Desktop, cloud component, Power BI Desktop. And this is to create a report creation. And it uses these concepts: 1, 2, 3, 4. These four concepts it will use and generate a report. And this report will move to cloud. This is our cloud, app.powerbi.com. And here is a place reports and dashboards are stored and managed. And customers, they will contact this cloud, they will see the report, and they will take action. And coming to on-premises, some people not interested for the cloud. Those people use this report server desktop. The same concepts, but it is a server desktop. Little less features than cloud. And on-premises people, they install their own server, and customers come to this. From here, they will retrieve it, and whatever they want to do it. So first component, cloud desktop, cloud service, on-premises desktop, on-premises server. And fifth component, report builder. This is a fifth component. And this is specially designed for paginated reporting. Simply, records split into multiple pages, and each page having certain number of records. So records split into multiple pages, each page having certain number of records. So what about these two? These two components help us to create non-paginated reports. So this legacy concept we don't have here. Very modern concepts we are having. This is sixth component, Power BI developer. It's not a role. It is not a role. You can create your own visual. If you want to construct your own graphical visual, this is helpful. Next component, embedding. And next component, gateway. And these are the 8 components we have in Power BI. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to explain today cloud component desktop. This I'm going to explain. And how do we generate a report? I will show you. Let me show. This is your data. Some family expenses data. My daily spending available here. Date wise, amount, reason, area, location. And this data I want to convert like this. So when I filter 19 and month, total value, average value in this combination, and maximum value, minimum value in this combination. Also, my top spendings, bottom spendings, I want to compare. In every location, how much money I compared, and what are the locations my family traveled, I want to show. So this kind of a decision-making data or business intelligence data report I want to create. So this is your normal data, transactional data, everyday transaction you noted here. And you want to create a decision support report like this. Yes, Power BI Desktop does that. Everything it can do and create like this. So this will be the input and this will be the output. But what exactly it does in between? This is a process. First, this desktop will take the data. If the data are not in proper shape, you can create a proper shape. If multiple tables available, establish relationship, modeling. If security required, it will apply. Finally, visuals it will take and generate a report. This is a visual. And the data is BA data. Since this application is doing end-to-end process, we call this application as self-service BA application. Anywhere, if we do end-to-end process, then it is called self-service BA. This is self-service BA. Please look at this. If you have any questions, kindly ask me. Anyone having any questions? Right. Firstly, I will show this data. So my family expenses data. It is an Excel file. For our ease of understanding, I'm taking this, but in the regular class, I will take database, cloud, cube, and multiple sources. As part of demo and for your practice as well, I'm taking this example. I request all of you, please work on this example today. The necessary input file, the necessary installation process, I'll explain today. Create a Power BI report, feel comfortable, then continue from tomorrow. Don't forget to practice. You will come to know the beautiness of Power BI once you practice this. So this is an Excel sheet, and the first 2 lines you are having some generic information, and here is a place you are having column headings, and this is data. This data I want to convert like that. And I told you Power BI Desktop is helpful. Then what is Power BI Desktop? And how do we install? And general definition of desktop is the graphical operations area. Windows desktop, Windows graphical operations. Tableau desktop, Tableau graphical operations. Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations. So Power BI desktop, Power BI graphical operations area with low code. Next, hardware and software requirements. If you want to work on this document, minimal requirement I'm explaining now, but detailed requirements in the regular class I will explain you from tomorrow. Tomorrow I will explain very detailed requirements. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So minimal I'm telling. Windows 8 or above, but 10 is good. Or above 10 is good. RAM minimum 2 GB is good. Sorry, 2 GB. But 4 GB or above is good. And minimum 1.5 gigahertz processor, but above 2 is good. So these are hardware software requirements. So nowadays we all having this minimal requirement in our systems. Downloading also 3 ways. Just Google it, go to advanced download and download. But no account is required. Usually Power BI require one account, but here not required. Advanced download level. We are having pro premium capacity fabric like this multiple cloud accounts, but without account you can download and follow this today. But day after tomorrow I will explain you how to download using account, how to download from the cloud. These two. And real time, the third approach only recommended. Why? I will tell you in the regular class. But today you follow this. Installation process very simple. Click on the setup and follow the wizard. Mostly next finish. Next finish. So I will go to this. Power BI desktop download. Download Power BI desktop. Click on it. Power BI desktop. And don't ask anyone how to install the software. Always Google it. You will get the latest desktop definition. See, whatever I said, anytime, anyway. So latest definition and the requirements, which version of desktop you're downloading, and desktop operations, system requirements, installation instructions, everything you will find here. Don't ask anyone. Simply click on download. But one thing is important, what type of system you are having, you need to identify. This is for 64-bit machine. This is for 32-bit machine. How do you check? Go to sysinfo. Here you type sysinfo. If it is not opening, go to this PC properties. This PC properties, just verify here. System type 64-bit operating system. So this PC, right click properties. And based on this, you download it. Almost all modern systems having 64-bit processing. 479 MB. Once you download, it looks like this. Just go to this. Next, finish. Just go to this. Next, finish. Right. So after your installation, you will see like this. Power BI desktop. Click on it. And this is called as get started page. Quick reference links available. So what do you mean by that? What is this current month update you want to see? You can see. And you want to discuss some questions or some concerns with other technical experts? Yes, you can go to forums. Complete Power BI history you want to see, go to blog. You want to read some materials? Yes, tutorials available. And this is the area you will see all videos. Any video help you require for your particular concept? Yes, you can. And this is to revisit. You forgot the concept and you want to revisit? Yes. And this is the way we need to pronunciate and write Power BI desktop, PBID. These are all reports. Already created reports and recent reports. You want to open other reports? Yes, you can open other reports. And this is called as get started page. But not required now, so I'm closing it. This is a main window. You can say interface. Some people say color blind friendly interface. That means color blind people can work on. And it is a self-service BI interface. So data, if you pass, data extraction, data transformation, data modeling, data security, data visualization, everything possible, finally you will get BA data. So do not confuse with this. Daily we discuss about the same. You feel bored after 2 days. In the demo level, I want to explain one report, so I'm explaining. Just listen and watch. Don't try to practice or remember anything. Fixed process, it's a boring process after 2-3 days. And business intelligence level, this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. This first operation you want to do, get data. Get data means extraction. Transformation, you want to do some changes. See, already there, pen symbol. This is transformation. Modeling, you want to apply relationships in this area. Security, yeah, 3 and 4 here also we can do. 3 and 4. Modeling level, we are having security. And this is an area visualization we will do, this area. And this area is called report canvas. And here only we take visuals plus data. So this visual, these are called visuals. These visuals will take, and this data also will take. And this is called as visualization pane. Visuals available. And these are Microsoft visuals. If you want other than Microsoft, yes, you can click 3 dots, you can take it. And that is custom visuals. And this is data area. Some people also call it as data set pane. And here you find tables, fields, etc. But Power Query level, Power BI level, rarely we use table, but technical word is query. We call it query. Whatever the table data we are having, that is called query data in Power BI. So this is visualization pane, this is data set pane. And we use in this area. And we also having three views. These are the three views. And the first view is report canvas view and report view. And here is a place data view, data you want to see. Here is a place relationship view, relationships you want to see. Report view, data view, relationship view. And this is saving, this is title. And I connected with an account, my account. This is minimizing, this is maximizing, this is closing, top. Saving, title, account, minimize, maximize, close. And these are called menu tabs. Right now, home is underlined, and this is called home ribbon options. Home ribbon options. Like this, multiple options available. Don't worry, slowly you will come to know all these options. And I usually explain this for 1 hour. 1 hour I will explain, but due to lack of time, I explained 5 minutes only. Now, what is the first one we need to do? As part of business intelligence process, first one is extraction. Systematically, we should go. Second one, transformation, this one. Extraction first, and then transformation, modeling. What are applicable we need to take. Extraction compulsory, visualization compulsory. These two compulsory. And in between, if required, we'll take it, otherwise ignore. So first extraction, yes. Get data, Excel workbook. Where is the data? So this is a family expenses data, open. Get data, I browse to the file. It shows like this. Now select it. Daily expenses data. Click load. Now it will load it. Automatically data pane expanded. Data pane. Pane is a rectangle with set of options. So data pane is expanded. You can expand this. Information like this available. This is called a table or query. These are columns. But if you want to see this information, I told you, this is the one, data view. See this. Something is not correct. You're able to see, but something is not correct. This is supposed to be column heading. And these two we should not have in the data level. Then only column by column available. So I will write here, Power BI expects column by column data for its reporting. If it is not in that format, we call it as a shape. We need to transform. We need to transform. So in this situation, we need to delete this first step. We need to make this as heading, second step. These two compels are required. But if you see this area location, Hyderabad, Motinagar, Hyderabad, Jagadamba, Vishakhapatnam, Motinagar, Vishakhapatnam, like this available. But this data you cannot analyze easily. So split the data based on the hyphens, split. This is the third one. And if you want to work on this data, 3 operations required: cancel, heading, split. So where do we do it? Guys, go to this report view. First I extracted, and then I viewed the data. Next. So extraction completed, viewed. I found some transformations required. So go to this area, second area. This is a transformation area. Click transform. It will open a separate window. See guys, Power Query window created. And this is the only one place a new window you will find. This window can also be called extraction transformation window. More than 1,000 transformations available. Once your transformations or data changes completed, go to this area, home in this, close and apply. Apply for saving changes. Close and apply for save changes and close. Close the window. So this area. Right. Now what we need to do. So guys, little speed I'm explaining because of demo, but regular class I go slow. Kindly focus. So, I got the data. And now we need to make this proper shape. And what we need to remove? This one we need to remove. This one we need to make column heading. Correct? You need this on the column heading. If you want to do it, this one to be removed. So click on this corner in this area. Remove top rows. Number of rows 1. Click OK. Top row remove. And I want to take this as column heading. So click on this. Use first row as headers. Yeah, date, amount, reason, area, location. You want to see once again in the right hand side the steps available. Cancel this. Cancel this. Cancel. So remove this. So remove this. Make this as header. Click on it. Remove top rows. Number of rows 1. Make this as column heading. Click on this. Use first row as headers. Now, next one. This you need to split into 2 parts. So highlight this. Right click. Split column by delimiter. So custom. 2 hyphens available. Mention 2 hyphens in this area. Click OK. Divide into 2 parts. The column headings not proper. So click on this area. Click on this location. area, location. Now close and apply. So whatever you expected completed, close and apply. The changes saved and the screen also closed. Now if you see in the right hand side, columns are clearly visible. Amount, area, location, reason, date also having hierarchy. Year, quarter, month, day. Next, you want to see the data, click on the data view, see the data. Data appearing properly? Yes. So now you can analyze. So first one I extracted as it is not in proper shape, transformed. Third one modeling and fourth one security. So this is modeling. I go to this, but only one source available, no need to model. Modeling happens when two or more sources available. Modeling nothing but joining with other table, providing relationship with other table. Since one table available, not required. And security you want, go to this modeling area. This is a security area. This security not required. It is a demo example. I don't want to make it complex, so no security. Last one, visualization. See this. 3 and 4 not required. 5 I'm going. Visualization. This is a visualization area. Take the visuals. First one, I want to show total value, a total spending. And now I'm going to explain first visual, card visual. Second visual, bar chart. Third visual, pie chart. Next visual, one mapping visual. Next visual, slicer. These 5 visuals I'm going to cover now. And the people who are all interested to do this practice, for those people, I'm giving a material as well. This is a second demo material you will receive today for your practice. Spoon feeding way, the material also you receive. So you please practice. So this is an example practice. See, this example how to practice. Spoon feeding way, explain. What is extraction? What is transformation? What is modeling? What is security? What is visuals? Spoon feeding way. Kindly follow this practice. So, and guys, who all just joined and not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. Yesterday's, today's, both the video and document you will find in the yesterday's video and document and today's video and document you will receive in your email. Kindly provide your email ID and mobile number to get demo videos and demo documents and go to this folder. This is your classroom folder. First demo and documents, second demo and documents video, you'll find it. Please provide quickly. So let me go, guys. Yep, you please continue providing. I'll explain it. Now, first I will explain card visual. It's a card visual, single value it will take. Even I mentioned here clearly. Display single value, maybe aggregated value or any value. So take card visual. And I will take in this card visual fields. So there are two sections for every visual. First section, fields, columns. Second section, format. Right. Now I will go and take here amount. Please look at this. This amount I'm placing here. Automatically, sum of amount is coming. So this is the sum of amount. Similarly, average you want. So click on this card visual. One more. Average you want. Take sum here. And drop down option is there. Click on this average. No need to write any calculation. Click on card visual. If you want a maximum amount you drag and drop here. Click on this maximum. You take card visual. Take amount here. Drag and drop minimum. Next, go to sum of. In this area, you click format your visual. I want to format. So how to take sum, average, minimum, maximum, I explained. It's a very simple job. Now formatting. And this is called callout value. And this is called category label, specific to this visual. Just go to callout value. I will take bold. Take one font, 30 size, color, blue color, display unit, none I'm taking. You can take 1,000, million, billion, etc., but I'm taking none. I'm taking none. And similarly, category label, this label, bold, I'm taking 15 or 16. Click here, color this. I will take a border for this. So every visual contain formatting area. And for this visual, there are two sections, callout value and category label completed. Go to general, effects, general area. I want border I'm taking. General effect border. The same format I want to take for this. So highlight this, go to home. Guys, highlight this, go to home tab, click on format painter, click on it. Click on format painter, click on it. It is copying. Click on format painter, click on it, copying. So this is average amount. And this is maximum amount. And this is minimum amount. So 4 card visuals, total maximum, average, total sum, maximum, minimum, average. But these values should change based on the year and month, because I want to analyze month wise, year wise. So take slicer, click slicer. So this is the one. Then what is slicer? Slicer, a visual which support user interaction and data filtering. Single line. Click on this. Slicer. Field. Year you take. Ready. But year is not coming properly. So go to this. Format your visual. Slicer settings. Between is coming. Go to this vertical list. Now you can format. Once again, take slicer, take the column what you want to show, field level, done. Now format level, format it, slicer setting, list. If you want button format, tile, buttons. I'll go for list format. And then header, this is header, this is value. Slicer header, year, bold. I will make it little bigger. This is pink color. Values, these are values. Bold, blue color. And if you want border, go to general area, FX, and here you take border, visual border. Similarly, month. So what I will do is I will show copy paste how to do. Earlier copy paste format I explained. Right now visual copy. Just highlight this, Control C, Control V. Highlight, Control C, Control V. But I don't want year, I want month. Just drag and drop month in this area. Only month. So data area, month. Right. But I don't want all the months. Then go to filter. If you don't want, filter is beside. Month, expand this. I want July and August. July, August. Just I'm showing how to use filter. Not compulsory knowledge perspective. So there is a filter available beside this. Click on this filter. See the flexibility and ease of operations. No need to write any coding. And if you select 19, 19 total, 19 average, 19 maximum, 19 minimum. August, 19 August, total average, maximum, minimum. So this is how people can interact with this report and slice it. They will see respective data. And they want to compare. For example, they want to compare the reasons. And they want to see how much money they spent in every location. Possible. If they want a comparison, stacked bar. This is a bar chart, which is helpful for the comparison. So just click on this bar chart, stacked bar. Y-axis. I want reason. So here reason will come. X-axis, amount. Take amount. And if you see this and you want to see bigger, click on this. Food, travel, internet, more spending. Entertainment, books and petrol, less spending. Here more spending, here less spending. I'm going back. This is focus mode to elaborate bigger. Right. Now I will go to this general, effect, border on. If you select 19, 19 top spending, 20, 20 top spending. It is changing. August, 20 August spending. All are changing. So stacked bar, it is for comparing. And I want to see locations and how much money I spent, percentage. So go to pie chart. You can ask me, sir, how do you identify which visual to be used? Like this theory, multiple materials I will give you, then you will come to know which visual we use in which situation. It's a demo. Just look at the way how I'm doing it. And ease of operations. Without writing any code and much code, we're able to generate wonderful reports. Understand the beauty. So I'm just taking this visual. First section, legend level location I'm taking, and value level amount I'm taking. Location in the legend, value in the amount. You can explore bigger, and you can keep cursor here. Visakhapatnam 40% money I spent, and Vijayawada 15% money I spent, and Siddipet 2% money I spent, like this. Percentage and value. You can go back and go to this, format your visual, general, effect, visual border on. Last one, I want to identify the locations and business comparison. Just click on a mapping visual. Click map. Location area, this is a mapping visual. Location area, add location. See, explore bigger, only location I added, explore bigger. It is showing me all the locations, Hyderabad location, Khammam location, Vijayawada location, and Visakhapatnam location. But I want to control the values. Go down, size is there. The bubble size level, take amount, total amount. So wherever more available, bigger bubble. Wherever less available, small bubble. Wherever average available, average bubble. Like this, you can create it. Go back to report, mapping visual. Click on this, general, FX border. So now if you select 20 locations, 20 spending, 20 comparisons, 20 values. July, 20 July values. See, it is changing automatically. This is how customers will interact with the report, and they will browse it or slice it. And this is called a document. Whatever you developed is a document. So file menu, save, documents, some area, download area I'm saving. Vinay Tech, demo document, report document. Why is a document? See this extension PBIX. If you go to Word document .docx, Excel documents you save with .xlsx, and Power BI documents you save with .pbix. So this is called as a document. It's not a report. Some people will say report, but it is purely a document, not a report. Click save. Hardly 2 minutes. Kindly hold on. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Now downloads level, I saved it. This is the one. See this Power BI desktop document, not a report. PDF document, desktop document. So in this area, only this one we need to move to customer. Only this one, because customer does not require get data interface, this interface, this complete part. He does not require. Only this area required. How do you share this area to customer? In that situation, there are two ways. Who are interested for cloud, Power BI service, we need to move. Who are interested for on-premises, we need to move to server. So cloud interested people service, on-premises interested people server, we need to move and provide the link to the customer. And this part is called as publishing. So the report to be published to cloud or server so that other people can access. That's the reason I told you Power BI desktop is only for the report development. Report accessing not possible. Now let me go. Here we developed only report. But people want to access, you need to move to cloud or server. And this part we will see in the regular class, this part. Today, I thought of explaining one beautiful example, a simple example, which you can practice after this class. That is family expenses data, easy analysis. Similarly, if you have hostel expenses or your business data, you can generate a report from this class. So now, guys, you guys tell me, is it complex or simple to operate Power BI? So sum, average, maximum, minimum, these kind of operations, no issues. But if you want to perform complex calculations, we have a simple language called DAX available here. So not much code we need to write. This is called low code area. So far, no code, everything drag and drop. But we write little code when we are doing like complex calculations. That is DAX area. That's the reason Power BI is called low code area. Which area? Low code. Not no, it is a low code. Because our calculations we need to write. No one else will write. So I'm closing this. And I will go to this And I plan for 2 demo classes. First demo yesterday, second demo today. And from tomorrow, regular class, 5 to 6 p.m. sharp from tomorrow. 5 to 6 p.m. And my subject is intended for the people who want to learn in detail and who are preparing for interviews and who are preparing for certifications. And who all wants to talk to me regarding the subject or fast track way closing or any other career guidance, call me on this number. I will place in the chat room. And who all want to practice these examples and want to go through these documents, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in the chat room. I'm done with my demo. What I have planned is a systematic one. First 20 minutes, what we cover and data to fabric understanding. And today I given a small practical where I explain installation and the ease of operations in Power BI. I think you enjoyed it. Yes, please.
So Power BI